Good evening! Tonight on Learning Tagalog, let's continue learning more Tagalog phrases. Di bale, or in English, never mind, di bale. Di bale. Or you can say, di bale na lang. Never mind. If you want to do something some other time or later, you say, saka na lang. Saka na lang. Saka na lang. Next, bahala na. Or whatever happens, happens. Whatever will be, will be. For example, I have an exam tomorrow and I should be reviewing tonight, but bahala na. And next, sayang. Sayang. And you say sayang if you missed an opportunity or a chance. Like for example, I got a score of 74 and the passing is 75. And I almost got it. Just one more and I almost passed. Sayang. Sayang talaga. Sayang. So let's do a review. We have di bale or oh well or never mind. And we have saka na lang. If you want to do something some other time, you say saka na lang. And we have bahala na, which is whatever will be, or whatever happens, happens. And next we have sayang. That's for a missed opportunity or a missed chance. Sayang. So that's it for tonight. Good night, everyone.